Hi, welcome. My name is Dale McCluskey, and on this video I'd like to take a few minutes to talk about my new book released 2015 called Tracking Through PAC. It's a drive-based tracking guide which is intended to help canine handlers unleash the full tracking potential of their service dog. This guide is available in ebook form. It's intended to show the relational connection that comes to unleashing the full drive of your dog. And the title alone tells you it's unique. So the common standard for drive-based standards typically tracking through drive, but the standard title refers to something more than that. And basically what this guy does is it connects the final dots to really help handlers understand what is really happening when it comes to unleashing the full potential of their service dog. And so throughout this guide, what you'll find is you'll find different sequencing of how to go about unleashing the drive. So what I show is not just what the standards represents through speed and focus, but also just how the sequencing of that to the basic tracking model. So what this does is it provides a really clear path to helping canine officers benefit the most from their dog. So even if you've trained your dog through a different way of training, what this guide does is it helps to unleash and harness the full potential of your tracking dog. And something that's really unique with this guide that you're not going to find in other guides as well, within the guide is a section called Overcoming Relational Triggers, the framework. So what this represents is some dogs, what you'll find is, some dogs, there's oftentimes what will kind of rise up to the surface a little bit, is a bit of a training issue when it comes to what's interpreted as, fear. The dog is giving a bit of a indication that might be concerning for the handler, for the trainer. And what this is, it shows that what I show is that how a dog's decision-making process, the path it follows, is somewhat different than humans. So when a dog starts to react a certain way, what this framework shows is how to move a dog beyond issues which could otherwise tend to wash dogs out. But what I show is you can actually bring a dog out of those problematic areas just by understanding how to tap into the dog's drive in such a way which is going to build the relational bridge to move the dog forward so you can be successful and not have to wash your dog out. So this guide is very informative. You're going to find topics in here you're not going to find anywhere else, especially with the sequencing itself, with how the dots connect to make sure you get the most benefit from not just speed but focus, and so that there's no trade-offs. Because oftentimes what happens is you could have focus but not speed, or speed and lack focus. But this shows how to basically have it all through how to connect the dots right from the basic tracking model that I show how to set it all in motion so that you're tapping into the naturalistic drive of the dog. And also with this guide, too, what you're going to find within the guide itself is clickable links for numerous instructional videos. So within each topic area of the guide, there's a clickable link. When you click on that, your browser window will open, and there's you'll see a YouTube video where I'm actually talking, showing the showing the framework, how it works. So you get lots of great information in this guide. So it's not just reading; it's also visual with me talking, speaking, and showing how this all connects together. So I'd really encourage you to check this guide out. It's called Tracking Through PAC. It's available either at Amazon Kindle or through Barnes & Noble Nook, and also available directly through my website at www.caninepac.com. So again, great guide, has lots of great information if you're seeking to unleash the full potential of your tracking dog. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you have a great day.